Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, I'm going to put an entry in for Bearsback's Advanced Pickers giveaway. I might try this 356 Lockwood. That's the bitting. This light, there we go, focus. Super light tension. Yeah, we're open. So that was quick. Alright, so it's open, obviously. Let's gut this. So you can see, last one, all standard. Okay, we have an Asa spool, and we have 6 of them in total. Yep, get in there. Okay, so we have the Lockwood tapered key pins and Asa spools. Yeah, so I hope this one qualifies Bearsback. And yeah, just want to say, mate, congrats on everything. I hope you're doing well. Same with everyone. And yeah, cheers guys.